So this piece of furniture I got 100% free off the side of the road, and I'm hoping to turn it into something that's not as ugly. So first up, I didn't want to spend any money at all, so I had a good look over the piece to make sure there wasn't anything that was bad, but it was pretty clean and tidy, as in there was no giant chips. There was a couple of scrapes and a bit of dirt, but nothing too bad, to be honest. I was pretty happy with the piece. Now, considering I got this off the side of the road, I'd recommend cleaning it down. All I've got here is some dish soap with water. It breaks down all the oils, it's no big deal. So make sure you do give it a good clean down if you did do something like this, and make sure you clean the drawer as well. With it all clean and dry, it's time to put a sander on it. This is just like my little cheap vibrating sander. It's got whatever pad I had on it, just to keep it as cheap as possible. So with it sanded back, I did sand it a little bit more, but my camera died. It was time to put on the first coat of white paint. This is the same paint I used on the last project. It's just leftover ceiling paint. I thought it's free, it doesn't really matter if I mess it up too much. I wanted to know how good it would work. So, 2 coats down, time to paint some more coats on it, see how it comes up. It's looking alright considering I picked it off up the side of the road. So we're just going to do the lid as well, and we'll crack into it. So it's the next day. The polish has come up pretty nice. Now I've only done 1 coat, but I don't really care much to put another. I don't mind how it's looking. I think it's time to put the drawer together and then call it a day. Drawer handle, I found this really cool little owl. You can't see that very well. I could have gone for like a golden shell handle, like a bronze or one. I thought that would look really cool as well. But instead, I've gotten this little owl, which I think is just awesome. Look at it. So to measure up, I've got the drawer, we've got the little hole in it. Now I've painted over the hole, which you can't see very well, but it's just right there. I'm just going to take a screw and put it straight through. There we go. So then I'm going to take the little owl, I'm just going to measure it up with what I want. I can see that it comes up to a certain notch, and then I'll cut it there. So 1, 2, 3. 3 notches I want. 1, 2, 3. Shorten bit, pop that right through, and just put the little owl on. We got the length wrong. 1 more notch. Can go bye-bye. Now make sure you do this bit up quite nice and tight, because of course this is where all the force is going to come from. My screwdriver just broke. That looks awesome. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.